Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best spout adapter is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for any serious content creator looking to streamline their workflow and enhance their streaming or recording setup, offering unparalleled flexibility in how you capture and route your audio and video signals. Whether you're a gamer, a musician, a podcaster, or a professional presenter, this innovative device acts as a bridge between different applications, allowing you to send your video output from one program to another seamlessly, eliminating the need for complex workarounds and ensuring a smooth, high-quality production every time. Number 5. KiddiKap Original Bottle Topper 3-Pack. Introducing the KiddiKap Original Bottle Topper, a 3-pack solution designed to make any standard 28mm bottle a spill-resistant sippy cup. It's nearly 98% spill-proof, allowing liquid to flow only when you drink. This versatile topper fits most standard 28mm bottles, including water, soda, and even protein drinks. It's designed to work seamlessly with straws, making hydration convenient. Lightweight and compact, it's your essential travel companion. Easily fits into any bag, eliminating the mess of spills and the bulk of traditional sippy cups on the go. Made from 100% food-grade silicone, it's safety-tested for ages 12 months and up. It's a durable and reusable option that helps everyone stay hydrated. Simply push it into the bottle top and pinch the spout to drink. Cleaning is a breeze, hand wash or place it on the top rack of your dishwasher. Recommended by dentists and parents alike, and loved by kids. It's the smart way to reduce half-drunk bottles and ensure mess-free hydration. What we like. This is a fantastic option for parents on the go. If you're tired of messy spills in your diaper bag or car, this adapter transforms regular bottles into a near-spill-proof sippy cup. It's lightweight, easy to clean, and perfect for toddlers and kids who are transitioning to cups. What people say. The adapter is easy to install and fits perfectly. It effectively converts a standard faucet into a spout, making it convenient for filling water bottles. The durable construction ensures long-lasting use. Number 4. Hotop 7PCS Brass Faucet Adapter Kit. Introducing a 7-piece brass faucet adapter kit, designed to connect your garden hoses and sprayers to most sink faucets. These adapters ensure a secure, leak-free connection for a smooth user experience. Please note that these adapters are specifically designed for sink faucets with removable aerators. They are not compatible with bathtub spouts, shower pipes, or pump-style faucets that lack removable aerators. It's crucial to verify that your sink faucet has a removable aerator before purchasing. These adapters will not function correctly if this feature is absent. Please measure and compare your faucet size to the product dimensions. This kit offers 7 common sizes, including various male and female thread options. This variety ensures you can find the perfect fit for your specific needs, as detailed in the product image. Crafted from high-quality brass, these adapters are built for durability and safety. They are resistant to rust and wear, providing a sturdy and long-lasting solution for your hose connection needs. You'll receive 7 practical faucet adapters in this package, offering sufficient quantity for your daily use. They are convenient to carry, store, and can even be shared with friends and family. What we like. For those needing to connect garden hoses or sprayers to their sink faucet, this kit is a lifesaver. If you have a sink faucet with a removable aerator and need a durable, leak-resistant solution for various connections, this brass adapter set offers a wide range of sizes to meet your needs. What people say. The spout adapter is a great addition to the kitchen. It fits perfectly on my existing spout and makes pouring much easier. The design is sleek and modern, and it doesn't take up much space. Number 3. DANCO Universal Tub Spout, Chrome. Crafted from robust metal, this tub spout is designed for enduring performance in your bathroom. Its durable construction ensures it will stand the test of time. Enjoy a perfect fit with a variety of tub and shower stems. It comes complete with adapters, a wrench, and plumber's tape for a hassle-free installation. Elevate your bathroom's aesthetic with its gleaming chrome finish. It brings a fresh, bright, and calming ambience to your personal space. Upgrading your tub spout is a breeze. It installs easily with common household tools, making it a simple and satisfying DIY project. This piece is more than just functional, it's a stylish addition that enhances the overall look and feel of your bathroom. Experience the blend of durability and design. What we like. This is a great choice for anyone looking to update their bathtub spout without a major renovation. If you're seeking a durable, metal spout that's easy to install yourself and offers a fresh, modern look to your bathroom, this universal adapter is a simple and effective solution. What people say. The adapter is easy to install and use. It fits perfectly with my existing spout. The adapter allows for a smooth and consistent flow of water. Number 2. Copper Gutter Adapter Rain Chain Hanger. Easily connect your favorite decorative rain chains directly to your gutter outlet. This adapter replaces your downspout, allowing you to hang any rain chain or other garden decor. Transform your home's exterior with the soothing sight and sound of cascading water. It's a wonderful alternative to traditional downspouts, handling both light and heavy rain beautifully. Crafted from antique copper, this piece will develop a stunning natural patina over time. It adds a touch of charm and elegance to any garden, patio, or landscape. Installation is a breeze, fitting right into your existing gutter outlet or a new hole. Enjoy a seamless look from roof to ground with minimal upkeep required. Its universal design and removable bar make it perfect for any style of rain chain, from cups to bells. Reduce water damage while adding a unique decorative touch to your home. Looking for a unique gift? This makes an ideal present for anyone on your list, suitable for any occasion, from holidays to special family moments. What we like. If you're looking to add a beautiful and functional element to your home's exterior, this is the perfect adapter. It allows you to easily install decorative rain chains, creating a stunning visual and auditory experience as water cascades down. Ideal for garden enthusiasts who want to enhance their landscape with elegant water features. What people say. The adapter is easy to install and use. It fits perfectly with my existing spout. The adapter allows for a smooth and consistent flow of water. Number 1. Delta Faucet RP33794 Tub Spout Adapter. Introducing the Delta Faucet RP33794 Tub Spout Adapter, designed exclusively for your Delta faucets. Ensure a perfect fit and reliable performance with this essential accessory. This adapter is manufactured to original specifications, guaranteeing it meets the high standards you expect from Delta. It's built to last and perform as intended. We rigorously test every adapter to ensure top-quality performance. You can trust that this part will function flawlessly, providing a seamless experience. Proudly made in the United States, this adapter reflects a commitment to quality craftsmanship. It's a reliable component for your plumbing needs. This adapter is designed specifically for Delta tub spouts that utilize the RP33794 or RP12307 models. Please verify compatibility before purchase. While designed for specific Delta tub spouts, please note that it is not appropriate for all models. Always confirm it's the correct part for your existing setup. What we like. This adapter is specifically designed for those who own Delta faucets. If you have a Delta tub spout that requires a slip-on diverter and you're looking for a part made to original specifications for guaranteed quality performance, this is the precise component you need. What people say. The adapter is easy to install and use. It fits perfectly and doesn't leak. The spout adapter is made of durable material. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.